YouTube offers a massive opportunity for generating income. And the truth is that you don't need millions of subscribers to start getting paid. So if you're a content creator that's ever wondered whether you can make a living off YouTube, you probably can. And if you're a business owner who isn't leveraging this platform properly, you could be leaving a lot of money on the table. While starting a YouTube channel is relatively simple, turning it into a reliable cash machine isn't as straightforward. Luckily, if you're armed with the right know-how, you can become just like one of the many successful YouTubers who are benefiting from multiple streams of income. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the fastest and easiest ways you can start making money on YouTube. YouTube is an amazing tool for entrepreneurs because it lets you connect to your customers on a more personal level. They say a photo is worth 1,000 words, so video can be worth exponentially more when it comes to creating interest and building brand loyalty. We love our favorite YouTube creators because watching their videos helps us feel connected to them as we get to know their energy and personality. So no matter what kind of business you have, using video gives you an awesome way to connect to your fans and generate even more interest in your products or services. Those benefits aside, most people don't even realize just how lucrative YouTube can be, and not just through running paid ads. You know that on this channel, we usually recommend having multiple streams of income supporting your business, and making money on YouTube is no exception. As awesome as the YouTube Partner Program is, it's actually only one of many ways that you can make money using this platform. So let me walk you through the 7 best ways that you can make money on YouTube. Number 1, join the YouTube Partner Program. I'm putting this one on the list first because it's the most obvious method. YouTube's partner program basically pays you whenever your subscribers watch the ads on your videos. This is called monetization, and it's pretty great if you can turn it on because it's super easy to set up and lets you generate passive income simply based on whether your videos get seen by your audience. There are some caveats though. In order to join the program, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and more than 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period, which can be a high bar for creators who are just starting out. You also won't be able to monetize certain kinds of content, including any videos that are violent or suggestive or contain profanity. And also, don't forget that YouTube is going to be keeping 45% of your ad revenue. Still, if you meet the requirements, this is an awesome income stream for your business because of its simplicity. If you make great content and people are watching it, you absolutely should be paid for that. Number 2, sell products and merch. Most successful YouTubers will also have a branded merch line that they offer to their fans and subscribers, featuring everything from branded t-shirts to hats to coffee mugs. Adding this income stream to your channel is really smart. Not only will your fans help you spread the word by wearing or sharing your stuff, it also helps to deepen their relationship with you. Most merch features inside jokes or key phrases from your channel, so when fans buy, they feel like they're becoming part of your community. For example, Toronto creators Eamon and Beck have a beautiful merch line that includes candles, sweatshirts, and vegan cookbooks. In their videos, they often wear their own branded clothes and cook yummy recipes from their books, which is a subtle way to show their fans the benefits of their products and definitely drive sales. Plus, when fans buy their products, they get to feel like they're supporting their fave creators while also getting a beautiful product in return. This can also work in reverse. If you already have a store selling awesome products, why not create a YouTube channel to showcase the benefits of those products or teach people how to use them? That's what Luxie Hair did when they created a channel designed to teach customers how to easily use and style their hair extensions. Both their channel and their business have been a huge success thanks to this combined method. Number 3, crowdfund your dreams. We all know how powerful and emotional it can be to watch a well-made video that tugs at our heartstrings or inspires us to change. After all, there's a reason ads are still around. It's because they work. So if you have a big dream that needs funding to get off the ground, investing a bit of time and money upfront to create a compelling video that you can share on your YouTube channel and your crowdfunding page could be the key to unlocking contributions from your community. Platforms like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and GoFundMe all include a spot on the fundraising page for a featured video. It's highlighted at the very top of the page because it's so important. In fact, one study showed that crowdfunding campaigns with videos earned 105% more than those without them. That's more than twice as much just for having one video. So it's definitely worth your time to get strategic about the videos you create. If you can make a smart, compelling video that connects with viewers on an emotional level, you'll be way more likely to reach your crowdfunding goals or even just generate more sales for your business. By the way, if you want even more info on creating powerful videos, we've actually put together a whole reading list of articles full of tips and tricks for video marketing. These are high-impact articles that will help you leverage the power of video for your own business and learn the best tools of the trade for making videos that actually stand out. You can get our free curated guide by clicking the link in our description box below. Number 4, get fan funding. Fan funding is another really smart supplemental strategy if you already have a YouTube channel. It's exactly what it sounds like. Basically, you set up different levels of support, and fans can pay to subscribe to get even more content or benefits from you for being a member. YouTube actually offers its own options for fan funding, including their channel memberships and their super chat function for live streams. But unfortunately, both of these features are only open to creators who are already in the partner program. If you don't yet qualify for the program, you can definitely still set up fan funding even with a smaller audience using apps like Patreon, Tippy, and Buy Me a Coffee. The key to success with these platforms is, of course, that you have to be creating really helpful and high-quality content that people would be willing to pay for, or you need to have developed enough of a personal connection with your fans that they really care and want to support you personally. It also helps to offer great rewards to your members, things like extended interviews or exclusive videos, or first access to new products and merch that you create. It might take some time to build up your income here because typically these memberships are only a couple dollars per month per subscriber. But over time, this can actually add up to a pretty lucrative income stream, especially if you have loyal fans. Number 5, license your content. This is a less common income stream, but if one of your videos happens to go viral, you'll probably want to know about this option so that you can cash in on that success. Whenever a video goes viral online, typically the media will want to turn that into a story to share with their own audience, whether that's on a morning show segment or in an online article. If it's one of your videos, congratulations, because these news outlets will probably be reaching out to you to pay for the rights to share that video on their own platforms. You can totally take advantage of this either by working with the news outlet directly or by listing your video on a marketplace like Trusted Media Brands, which simplifies the whole process of clearing your video for digital or editorial use. Depending on the popularity of your video, this could be a very smart way to cash in on the success of your content. Number 6, work as an influencer. As you build up your channel and grow your subscribers, you'll start to get more opportunities to get paid by other businesses too. Influencer marketing is huge right now, and companies are setting aside big parts of their ad budget to work with creators who already have the trust of their audiences. If you're smart about it, this means that not only can you get paid for the videos you create, you could also be paid by other businesses directly to feature their products on your channel. In general, you can expect to make 5 to 15 cents per video view. So if your videos typically get 1,000 views, for example, you'd make up to $150 for that video on average. Subscribers also matter here. WebFX estimates that you can be paid about $200 per video for a channel with 10,000 subscribers. That being said, if you have a niche audience that is really engaged, you might be able to negotiate better ad deals with smaller companies who are looking to target your specific subscribers. You can use sites like CrowdTap or Upfluence to find good brand partnerships, or just wait for them to contact you as your channel grows. Of course, you need to be careful not to maximize your short-term profit while hurting your long-term brand loyalty. Don't take advantage of your subscribers by constantly bombarding them with products, especially ones that you don't actually love or stand behind. It's a pretty fine balance to promote products without being too salesy, so it helps to be transparent and make sure that you're actually enthusiastic about the brands that you work with. Number 7, try affiliate marketing. We mention affiliate marketing a lot on this channel because it's a free and easy way to get paid for talking about the products that you already use and love. Every time a subscriber buys something from one of your affiliate links, you'll get a small percentage of that sale, which over time can really add up. This is an awesome strategy for YouTubers, especially if your videos already involve reviewing products you love or sharing the tools that have helped you find success in your chosen niche. If your viewers trust your opinion, they'll probably be clicking through to the products that you mention. So why not be paid for sharing your expertise? Some brands have their own affiliate programs that you can sign up for directly, or you can join a larger platform like the Amazon affiliate program, Like to Know It, or ClickBank to spread the word about other products that you love. You'll get a personalized link, which you can add to your YouTube channel description box to make it really easy for your audience to shop your links. As we've mentioned in this video, we never recommend relying on just one income stream to run your business. The key is to diversify and follow the lead of all the most successful YouTubers by having multiple streams of income, including a beautiful and functional online store to sell your products or your services. And if you're looking for the right platform to start building your own online store, look no further than Shopify. It is honestly your one-stop shop for building an e-commerce experience that is both stylish and simple to use for both you and your customers. Click the link in our description box below to get a free trial so that you can test out all the features for yourself and make sure it's the right fit before you commit. No matter what you're selling, Shopify offers tons of great tools and features to help your small business succeed. When you're just starting out, it can feel kind of daunting to try to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark so that you can join the official YouTube partner program. But hopefully this video helped you to see that you actually don't have to wait that long to start making money on YouTube. You can set things up from day one so that you're ready to connect with your audience and generate sales by taking advantage of some of these options from the get-go. By using a combination of strategies, you'll be set up to make money right away and increase it as your audience grows. On this channel, we have lots of videos teaching you how to use different platforms to grow your business. So if you're interested, be sure to check out our videos about going viral on TikTok, how to make money on Instagram, and how to use influencer marketing. All of them will be linked in our description box below. And while you're there, be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on those notifications so that you won't miss an episode. We post new videos every single week to help you either start or grow your own online business. And if you're in the process of growing your own YouTube channel, drop the link in the comments below so that we can follow along with the community that you're creating. And if you have any tips or ideas that I missed to help people grow and make money on YouTube, leave those below as well so that we can all learn from each other. That's it from me today, so I want to thank you so much for watching. I'm Stephanie Pellet, and I'll see you next time.